Hey guys, I'm Joe with ALPS OutdoorZ, and today we are going to show you an instructional video on how to swap out your skin on the Legend layout blind. Our replacement skins come included with hardware, which is 4 bolts, nuts, and washers. You're going to need a ratchet and either an 8mm or a 5/16 socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and loosen the tension straps on each side. Start removing the bolts at each corner. So I have all my bolts removed on all 4 corners. What can help is to slide the legs in, and you're just going to peel the skin right off around it. So all you're left with is the frame. So now I'm just going to set my frame to the side. Get my new replacement skin up on the table. Next, I'm going to work my frame underneath the skin. You're just trying to get all 4 corners lined up so I can add the new bolts one at a time. I like to go ahead and deploy the legs first. Kind of helps to get everything lined up. We're going to start on the bottom side of the blind, which is the foot side. You will notice that there are 2 different sizes of bolts, a little bit shorter and a little bit longer. The bottom side of the blind needs the longer bolt. There are 2 washers and a nut on each bolt. The big washer needs to go on the head of the bolt side. On the feet side of the blind, we have 3 holes to line up. The hole in the blind skin, the grommeted hole on the tension strap, and a hole in the frame. So for the front side of the blind, I like to make sure my back legs are folded in and my front legs are folded in, because we're actually going to bend the blind up in the middle to line up the hole in the frame with the hole in the grommet. We have this nice zippered hole in the back of the blind. I'm going to utilize that. To finish installing this bolt. So for bolt number 4, the skin will be at its tightest, so I'm going to bend the frame up even further. Get that 4th bolt lined up. So all of our layout skins are interchangeable with our frames. So if you're trying to replace your camo skin with your tan skin like we did today, whether or not you're in the shop or in the field, it's just 4 quick and easy bolts and you got the job done. Thanks for watching.